Hey everyone, James and Mark here. By the time you're seeing this, Happy New Year. We hope you all had a safe and great celebration.
Finally going to be opening our $600 rice cooker.
How long has it been since we've gotten this rice cooker?
I think we got this in August of 2020.
It's like Christmas all over again. I'm so excited to do this. We're gonna also be doing a blind taste test. So we're gonna be comparing the rice that comes out of this rice cooker with this instant rice, which you've seen us do a lot of times on this channel.
Oh, all right. So we have this manual.
Oh my gosh, did you plan this?
Oh my gosh, yes. So this looks like a rice paddle spoon and then measuring cup. You want to use the measuring cup that the rice cooker came with. You don't want to use your own. They have their own kind of measuring system in the water ratio.
Oh, I see. I don't even know how big this thing is. Is the box heavy? I didn't even lift the box.
Oh, okay.
Look at the detailing on the top of the lid.
Ah, curved, full stainless, master 4.0. Yes, yes.
All right, let's give it an open.
Oh, it's locked. Okay.
Oh, there's a
lock, unlock.
Oh.
Let's see. Oh, there you go. James, do the honor. I feel like he enjoys doing this. Oh, this is a little funny steam stuff. Pot's cute.
How much rice does this make?
This is a 6-cup capacity. So there's a 6-cup version and a 10, 12-cup version. So we got the 6-cup.
So the one that we've been using for many years, how many do you usually make when you make rice?
Usually 3 cups.
3 cups,
Two
okay.
2 to 3 cups. So this is perfect for us.
I mean, the pot itself seems very high quality.
It's curved and the bottom part looks like it's very, feels like stone. Mm-hmm. Now, the mid part is stainless steel, but it looks like an old school Korean rice pot back in the Joseon Dynasty days. Okay.
Well, this pot might have been from that era because it's been forever since we've opened it. I've also noticed, girl, that you like curved apparently. I mean, I could add more curves if you want. Just make a full batch of rice.
Have plenty of curves, okay?
I wasn't even talking about those curves. All right, what do you think of the look?
Don't you think it's sexy? What do you think?
It reminds me of like a very, in the future, this is what concert halls will look like. Like
concert halls,
right?
Yeah.
It's just very futuristic
looking. Like a stadium. Oh my gosh, the color is the reason why I got this model. Mm-hmm. Do you like this brown copper look?
Yeah, it's actually, is it matte? It's not really metallic looking, right?
It's matted metallic.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, there's a brushed like metallic look to it.
Like I kind of feel sad, but it reminds me of Cinderella after she met the fairy godmother, and the other one.
Bring up our old one?
No, I don't think it's fair to her. It's so sad. The other one. Actually, we kept the other one. Why did we keep the other one?
When we go camping maybe, or when we go to an Airbnb and they don't have a rice cooker, then we want to bring that one.
Because she's too nice to travel with. Oh, the other one's already getting shunned. I don't know if I like this anymore.
All right, let's plug it in.
Ooh, first time.
Ready? Watch, it doesn't work.
안녕하세요. 쿠쿠입니다. 음성 가이드로 더욱 편리하게 쿠쿠하세요.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. She said, 안녕하세요. Hello, this is Cuckoo. This is a voice instructions to make it more convenient for you. Please enjoy, something like that. Yeah.
Is she gonna get along with Alexa? And is her name Cuckoo?
I think we could change the setting though to English.
Oh, okay. Can't you ask her in Korean?
No, I don't think there's a voice you can't talk to it. I think it's talking to us.
Well, for $600, she should talk to us.
On the top, I see different functions right here. So glutinous rice, which is just white rice.
Oh, okay.
Mixed rice, brown rice, porridge, and high heat.
What would you use high heat for?
That's a good question. This says warm or reheat, preset, mode, cook, turbo, cancel, and pressure check.
So she may be smart, but maybe not us. Let's just
make rice.
Make our first batch of rice.
All right, so because we're doing a blind taste test, I did not buy the most premium rice. I got the middle of the road rice, which It's not that bad. I grew up eating shirakiku rice, which is pretty common in Japanese and Korean household.
Okay.
Have you had this one before?
No, that's not a rice I grew up on. The rice I grew up on was like, it's those burlappy bags that if there's a hole in it, then the rice grains start to fall out.
Burlappy bag?
Yeah, you don't know about it? It's like a white burlappy bag. That's what Vietnamese people use.
I think I've seen this. All right, so how many rice should we do? Because we're gonna eat later too, right?
Yeah. Maybe just stick to what you normally make then. 3 cups?
3 cups? Okay.
Like, I kind of wish that was like a, you know, something that a $600 rice cooker would. But that's like a penny, like plastic.
So, 1.
And this actually has tiny holes at the bottom, right? This kind of like a...
This is our rice colander? Colander. Okay.
Now again, is this a feature where we could just stick it in and they like wash?
No, you have to wash it yourself.
This is so archaic. I'm trying to find out where the value is. Like, where is the $600 value? Now, if you're watching this far, you're literally watching 2 men making rice on YouTube. That's fine.
That's the really good content. That's sexy content.
Then take off your clothes.
Look, I'm touching the rice between my fingers.
Oh gosh, we're gonna get flagged. I'm not the rice cooker in this household, as you can tell, but if you use this method, how do you know when the rice is done? Because I know the other method, when you wash it, you just wait until the water's like not as murky.
Like when you have a little bit of water showing up, it's not as murky.
Oh, so it still has that same test.
This is white rice, which is glutinous rice, and then I see the 3. Okay. There's so many.
No, like, you looked funny, just like staring intensely at the... I was getting a little jealous. When's the last time you looked like that at me? Doesn't that finger rule apply to this too, or is this different technology?
Yeah, well,
That's
let's see.
foolproof. Wait, where's it supposed to go? Oh, like
to your like
the base of your...
To the base of your finger, where your knuckle is. Okay, kind of.
Okay, it still applies. Again, still don't know why this is $600.
We'll see. I don't know either. We'll see.
I'm very skeptical. I'm that lady in the studio audience that doesn't want to buy the easy installments of like $69.99 for how many ever years.
This. And then I'm assuming we have to lock it.
Lock it.
절단 모드가 종료되었습니다. 원하시는 기능을 선택해 주세요.
Oh, we gonna need subtitles in this video. What'd she just say?
So choose the setting that you want.
Oh,
so it's already on glutinous rice right here.
She should just know for $600. She should just
do I
figure.
press cook?
Are those even? Oh.
Oh.
Does that sound about right?
쿠쿠가 이 기업으로 맛있는 취사를 시작합니다.
Oh, it says I'm about to begin to make your delicious rice right now. Okay, so that's the timer. So 29 minutes. Yeah. There is a turbo setting too. So if you can't wait that long, it cuts the time in half. But I think that might impact the overall taste of the rice. So we just want to do the standard setting, the standard, no high pressure, no low pressure, just the standard white rice setting and see how that turns out.
Does it normally take 29 minutes for the other rice cooker?
I never timed it.
Because she don't have that technology. She's just like, I'm ready when I'm ready. I like how bold she was. I'm making your delicious rice. I didn't even eat it yet, so I'll be the judge of that. Cuckoo. Me and her, a rough start so far, huh?
She thinks you're cuckoo.
It went from 29 to this 2 setting.
I don't know.
Mola!
Oh, it says that the glutinous rice starts cooking at a pressure of 2 atmospheres. So when it was that 2 mark, it was building up pressure, I guess. The voice will say, glutinous rice has been completed, but I'm assuming in Korean because we never changed the language setting. Girl, why do you have cheese? It's next to you, cuckoo.
If she's $600 worth, I expected rice in like 20 minutes ago. She's cute though.
You look good next to it.
You're just saying that.
No, really.
It's funny because ever since Mark bought this and it's been sitting in our garage, anytime we go somewhere that has a rice cooker section, he will still look at it. Do you miss the other one already?
I do.
I kind of missed the other one. I'm kind of glad you didn't throw it away completely, but
I had it since 2008, I feel like.
I'm surprised it works. It was still a little, like, it got to that stage where you're, like, still salvaging it a little bit, but you found a workaround to still make it work. I probably shouldn't stand this close. She's probably gonna spew, like, steam in a second without, or no, she'll warn me first, right? I don't know when she's gonna talk. It's kind of exciting. Oh, Mark went downstairs and brought our old rice cooker up. It ain't even 523. It's been 523 for like 8 years. Is this the before?
Oh my
and this is the
gosh,
after?
it's so much smaller than Cuckoo, but it's the same capacity.
She's curved too. She's a little curved. She don't talk though. And look at these buttons are even like, you know, older. Oh, let me look at it from this side. Oh. We had a WD-40 her before we did that. Memories.
It reminds me of an episode of Star Trek where like the more primitive space travelers had like a jalopy spaceship, and then the high like advanced society one comes with a really nice fancy spaceship.
I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's starting to make like this sound.
Oh, it's steaming up too.
Oh, you can see like in the back there. I'm not gonna get that close. It's like moving. Oh, it smells like rice in here. She going crazy back there. She going cuckoo.
쿠쿠가 맛있는 백미밥을 완성하였습니다. 밥을 잘 저어주세요.
It says O on here. What does that mean? OH or 0 hours?
Oh, now it's on the warm function. So now it keeps track of how many hours it's been in the pot.
Wow.
So you know I'm not gonna eat a 42-hour-old rice in the pot. You know?
What's the, I don't even know that there's a max. What's the max? Like 8 hours?
I don't know, actually.
Cuckoo open. She don't even do that? What
No.
does she do?
But she has a lock function. The old one doesn't have a lock function. So a little baby could come and burn her face off because
Yeah,
there's
because we have a little
no
baby
safety
here.
feature. Try it. Oh, the rice is glistening.
It
on
is. There is a little
top.
sheen on her. Like she just came back from the spa and she's looking refreshed.
Now we have to mix the rice. Okay, so it's still kind of sticky. Oh yeah, this is why you need to mix the rice, because on the bottom part kind of looks like the nurinji layer, but it's not nurinji yet. So kind of need to.
Do you feel like we added enough water?
Oh yeah, it
Yeah.
feels perfect.
Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering over this rice. Ooh, it got steamy in here. I want to back up. From a visual perspective, does it look any better than the rice from the other cooker?
I guess it's the taste. We
All
have
right.
to see the taste. So let's microwave our instant rice.
How much is one of these? Like $1.50, $2?
Something, yeah, $1.50 probably. So let's do this.
Girl,
You didn't see that.
that's not the microwave.
So I'm gonna use these little bowls for you, so that
Okay.
you could see the difference.
Now, I don't know where the blindfolds are. Did you put them away near the nightstand like usual? She still got jokes and she ain't even liquored up. Now, does she have an auto clean feature?
There's a sanitizing feature.
Oh,
yes.
finally something she can do.
So
Finally.
So sometimes, like in the nooks and cranny of a rice cooker, it could get kind of dirty that you can't wash. So that,
I don't need to keep my glasses on, right? I was gonna keep them on, but all right.
okay, let me blindfold you.
Ooh, it's like a Saturday night.
Are you covered?
Yes. Ow! Why are you so tight?
I need
Ow.
room. I need room in the back to tie it.
Excuse me. This
Okay.
feels odd without the ropes. Now, what do we do if I end up choosing the instant rice? Are we returning the cuckoo or what? What's the dealio?
All right, so I'm gonna place both of the rice in front of you. Okay, so this is one right here. Oh, one right here.
I'm nervous.
All right, here's a spoon.
Okay.
And then, I don't know, which one do you want to try first?
You guide me. How big is this a good bite?
Oh, hold on, I'll do it for you. James can't do anything around here.
Girl, I'm blindfolded.
Okay, it might be hot. Blow on it. Right here. Okay, you could feed yourself.
Where's the handle? You're not. What is this?
Yeah.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
This one's like, oh my God, it tastes like, I don't know if this will make sense. It tastes like pure rice. Like all I'm getting is rice. It's fluffy.
Okay.
Okay.
And here's the next one.
This one's, I mean, it has less of a rice essence, but it's rice obviously. But I'm not getting that wow factor like I did for the first one. The first one was kind of like, I'm rice, you better know me. And then the second one's like, okay, I'm rice, but not as fluffy either. A little, like a hint of, like, I wouldn't say stale, but it's like more that way than fluffy.
All right, take off your blindfold.
Are we returning the rice cooker?
We are returning the rice cooker.
Are we?
Yeah.
So I like the cheapy one better?
You like the cheapy one better.
I could have thought,
I want to try now.
but now you know.
Yeah, this is 햇반.
What's that mean?
햇반 is the name of the instant
Oh,
rice.
okay.
I do like the texture way more in this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Huh.
Well, it's not like we can return it anyways. We lost the receipt. It's been a year and a half. Let's retry this.
It tastes fresh. It's still moist. It's not dry. That's why I like it.
This tastes better without the blindfold on.
Interesting. You just need to like Cuckoo. You need to give her some time. So I
This
think
is
that's
just the
what's gonna
first
happen.
date. All right. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. We're actually going to be featuring more rice in an upcoming mukbang. So check us out and we'll see you for our next video. Bye.